Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Snoopy and Woodstock telephone, and this is Ken's telephone from California. And so he's got a note with Snoopy here, and he talks about how this telephone has been in the garage for quite a while because it stopped working, and he thought that it may not have had dial tone. And so what we need to do, this is the initial checkout, and this is how this telephone came in. So we have Snoopy here, we have some of the linkage that runs up through Snoopy. This telephone came in with no handset cord. This is just a shop cord. We're going to go ahead and put a cord on there because I don't think he has any of the cords. And then, of course, his handset. And then we have the body off the case, and we want to show you the inside. This is the newer style electronic board style Snoopy that they went to. So they had a network and a bell and an older style keypad. Now this is the updated version. So this is the electronic board with a piezo buzzer and then electronic keypad. So what we want to do is we want to get Snoopy all back together again and get his linkage back into where it belongs, and then everything put together. We need to troubleshoot the board and kind of go through everything, and then we'll get some more video of this as we move along. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and I wanted to show a little bit about what was going on with Snoopy. And so we had to take him apart, and this is what he looks like on the inside if you've never seen one of these telephones taken apart before. But we needed to check the working parts on the inside of Snoopy. And a lot of times this bracket here for when you hang up the handset, this will break, or they'll drop and break, or sometimes people will slam the handset down and break this part. Now that bracket is in good condition, but we do have an issue right in this area with the tube that kind of holds the hook switch linkage, and so that's been busted up a little bit. Now that can be repaired. The parts to these telephones are very hard to get a hold of, and so a lot of times they can be repaired, and this issue can be repaired, and it will hold up as long as, you know, it's just normal use. So if you use Snoopy normally and he doesn't take a fall, because even in a fall, even if it weren't repaired, it could break. So, and that's probably how this has happened, or whatever, but that repair will be fine, and under normal use it should last, you know, just as long as it doesn't take a fall or something. So we're going to go ahead and start working on that and getting Snoopy back together again, and we have to get that repaired and then go in and check the PC board or find out if there was any other issues to why Snoopy's not working properly. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of Snoopy. We're going to run through a little bit about what went on. The linkage that runs inside of Snoopy has been repaired, and under normal usage there will be no problem with it again. If it gets dropped or something like that happens, it's a possibility it could break. But under normal usage there will be no problem. We also went into the PC board and resoldered parts of that board that did not look good. Sometimes the solder needs to be resoldered. And so we kind of just went through a little bit of everything and made sure Snoopy was all happy again. So now what we want to do is our final checks. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and ring Snoopy. And I want to go ahead and I'll let that go one more time. I'm going to give you some dial tone. Now what I want to do, if you watch the analyzer, is walk through our numbers. You'll watch the numbers roll by. I want to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle, the receive and transmit, and it's dialing out. Now what we can do is push this button on the switch box, and that gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. And we're going to call a time and temp number. Now they're having problems with their equipment, so you'll hear the recording start, and then you'll hear a hum, and then the recording will continue. And that's on their end. It has nothing to do with what we're doing here. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'll give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. Today is Monday, October 21st. The time is 12:46. Current temperature 63 degrees.
Mostly cloudy today, rain likely, highs around 60. Colder tonight, mostly cloudy, then clearing, lows in the lower 30s to the 40s. Partly sunny Tuesday, then becoming mostly cloudy, a chance of rain, highs around 60.
Okay. We can also call my number, and it'll be busy. I'll give you some dial tone. Now that we know that Snoopy has been repaired, we can return him to Ken, and he can start enjoying this telephone again. These are highly collectible and of the original style. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.